What's going on, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're gonna be filming another Jason makeup tutorial. I believe I filmed one back in 2017. I did kind of like a half face of like Jason with like whatever makeup I was wearing at the time. But today I wanted to recreate it, maybe like a full mask, since I have two black splatters in my eyes, which by the way, I cried while putting them in, so that's why my face is all red and looks like I've been crying. It was a pain in the ass to get them in, but I have to use them. I paid money for them. Which glares aren't cheap, by the way, you guys. They're not cheap, so I'm gonna force them into my eyes if I have to. Yeah, I'm kind of blind, but it's fine. It's worth it. They probably shouldn't be hurting, but yeah. Whoops. So yeah, I basically just want to do like a full Jason mask on my face, make it dirty and bloody. Also, it's gonna be Friday the 13th this October, so yes, that's why I'm recreating our Jason makeup tutorial. Usually every like Friday the 13th, I notice my Jason, my past Jason look always kind of gets a spike in views every Friday the 13th, no matter what time of the year it is, it always goes up. So I'm gonna make another one, a new updated version for you guys. Now that I'm better at like filming videos and stuff, I'm not sure if I'm better. Definitely better for sure than the past. I was awkward as fuck back then, but now I think I've gotten it down. So yeah, let's dive into it. So I don't have my face paints at the moment. Normally I would use a water-based face paint, the Mayron ones, but we have to do it with white foundation. And I actually do have a compact white foundation. I do have liquid ones as well, but I want to try this one. I haven't used this one in a while. This one is a Manic Panic Goth White. And then also I have Manic Panic's Raven Black as well. We can probably be using that for like the black details. So yeah, so I'm not sure how I apply this. I can't remember how I've applied this in the past. I've used it several times and I really like the coverage on it. I don't know if I just did it with my fingers and then blended it out with the blending sponge, or if I actually went in on the, I think it looks like I went in with the blending sponge into the compact. Okay, so I was looking at pictures of Jason's mask right now, and I'm gonna go a little bit different with my look because his mouth is covered. I don't feel like covering my mouth with like liquid latex or anything because I don't have any of that on hand. So we're gonna go with the Jason inspired look. A little bit. Mostly Jason, like heavily inspired with a little bit twist, especially like on the lower part of the face. Probably gonna do like a black lipstick. I don't know yet. Some kind of like cool gothic shaped clip. This is gonna be fun. I'm excited. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna be dipping into Manic Panic's Goth White. You can use a white liquid foundation as well if you don't have face paint. You can also just use, no, I would recommend buying a water activated face paint, but with water activated, if you're gonna be sweating, let's say if you go to a party and if you're gonna be sweating, it might come off a little. So there's that. So there's always alcohol-based face paint as well. Those are a little more pricier though. That's why I usually do water, because it's cheaper. Or you can just go like to a basic Halloween store or anywhere else with face paint, buy a Halloween face paint. Although I don't like the way those ones feel. So yeah, we're gonna be diving into this, putting it all over my face. Try to create like the outline of like a face mask. Next I'm going to be setting the foundation with some powder. I'm using Sunset Makeup's white powder. I really like this one a lot, by the way. Their foundation's really good too. This is a good white powder for goths. You guys noticed, but I did leave kind of like some foundation from my hairline just to give it like a mask like effect. Normally obviously I would blend it up to my hairline, but we're kind of going for more of a mask look today. Might even paint the edges black as well, especially on a jawline, just to make it look more like a mask. Okay, so next I'm gonna be doing the eyes. I'm basically gonna be drawing like my eyes kind of like a circular shape. I'm gonna be diving into the Kat Von D Satin Center eyeshadow palette. This OG palette, still going strong after all these years. I'm gonna be diving into the black shade called Sabbath. I like this black eyeshadow so much, it's really dark and pigmented. Okay, so next I'm using some red lipstick to draw on the triangles of the mask on the face. The triangle across the forehead and then the triangles on the cheeks. I don't have red face paint, so I'm just using lipstick, and I'm going to be setting it with some red eyeshadow from this palette. This one's Baby Back Beauty NOX palette. I showed it to y'all, but one of the eyeshadows broke, and it's like the eyeshadow's everywhere, so I don't want it to fall everywhere, so yeah. In the shade Bitten. This one's like a bright red. I think it would be perfect for this. Okay, so next I'm going to be using Manic Panic's Raven Black cream makeup, and I'm going to be drawing all the dots of the hockey mask onto my face, and then of course I'm going to be setting it with some black eyeshadow. Next I'm going to be adding some black lipstick onto my lips. I know he doesn't really have a mouth because the mask is covering it. Just like the little ski mask holes, I guess. The breathing holes. I don't know. I'm going to take a little twist with this. This is a Jason inspired makeup look. So I'm applying some black lipstick. This one is from Beauty Bakery in the shade Midnight Truffles. I'm gonna kind of adding like a goth spin to it. Normally like I like to add like points to my lip, even down here as well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of the air holes on the bottom of the face mask. Okay, so I'm at the straps onto the mask. The ones are here on the side and the one on top. Just gonna use the Raven Black cream. Okay, so I'm using this Kat Von D Shade Light Eyeshadow Quad in Smoke. I'm going to be diving into the gray so I can kind of contour my jawline. And I think I'm going to add some shadows onto the mask using the same shade. Just kind of make the mask a little weathered, a little dirty. Actually, I think I'm going to go in with some black eyeshadow and blend it down my neck as well. Okay, so I'm probably doing some mascara off camera since my camera is dying. I'm gonna charge it while I do that. I'm also gonna be spraying some blood onto me, change my outfit, kind of do my hair a little. Might add some lashes. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. I just want to add some lashes just to add some depth, make my eyes look more darker. Also because like my eye that's creasing like crazy from the cream. I don't know why that happens. I guess it's too thick. But yeah. I'll be back to you guys. Probably even contour my chest to make it look more bony. We'll see. I'll be back to you guys. Okay, so here is the finished look. I'm pretty proud of how it came out. At first I was like kind of like spooked by it. I was like, this isn't gonna look good. Like with the eyes, I was like, I feel weird. I look weird. But then of course once I start adding more to it, and it came together. Gotta trust the process. And I was gonna stick back my hair, but then I was like, I kind of dig the more messier look. This is Jason, for crying out loud, you know. I don't think he really cares how his hair looks. Also, I think the character's bald. This is a femme Jason. She wouldn't care what her hair looks like. She's killing people. Of course she's gonna be a mess. I ended up adding lashes too. Femme Jason. I don't know, I feel like it looks not complete without lashes, you know? Like once I add lashes, then it looks complete. That's just me. I like lashes. I think that it just pulls everything together. And of course the blood came out really cool, you guys. Like I like the blood right here on this triangle. Like it just kind of followed it so perfectly, and I kind of wanted to recreate it on this side, but I was like, I'll just leave it. I don't want like too much blood. I want like some blood splatters on the mask. And this one just came out perfect. And I was like, oh my goodness, love it. I'm proud of how this turned out. So spooky, so perfect. But yeah, so happy Friday the 13th. I believe I'm posting this before Friday the 13th, so now you guys can already check it out. If you do want to recreate it for Friday the 13th, then cool. Or for Halloween as well. Also want to know what you guys think of this look between this one and the previous one. I think they're both equally cool. I really do like the half Jason mask. That looks really cool. This one looks pretty badass as well. Let me know what you guys prefer. Or like both. I'll link that video down below in my description box so you guys can check it out. That one came out back in 2017. Totally different back then too. Make sure you leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Make sure to check out all my other Halloween makeup tutorials. I've done a bunch of really cool Halloween makeup tutorials throughout the years. A bunch of really cool stuff for y'all to recreate. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky Friday the 13th. Bye guys!